This is one of the oldest tales from the Malay world, from long ago when the land was made out of small villages. In one particular village, in one particular household, was an old man who had two wives, each with their own beautiful daughter, Bawang Putih and Bawang Merah. The old man eventually passed away, and shortly after, a tragic accident befell his first wife, leaving Bawang Putih at the mercy of her cruel stepmother and half-sister. Little did Bawang Putih know, Bawang Merah's mother kept a terrible secret. The death of Bawang Putih's mother was no accident. Bawang Putih often sought comfort in the forest nearby, singing her mother's favorite lullaby by the same pond where she had drowned. But one day, something most peculiar happened. A strange-looking fish appeared to be singing with her. There was something very familiar about the fish. "Mother, is that you?" she asked. Notice Bawang Putih's frequent visits to the forest. Suspicious, Bawang Merah and her mother quietly followed Bawang Putih one evening. That night, Bawang Merah made dinner for Bawang Putih. She insisted that it was a reward for all her hard work. Only when Bawang Putih had finished eating did they reveal the terrible deed they had committed. Wanting to give her mother a proper resting place, Bawang Putih buried the fish bones near the pond. The next morning, Bawang Putih woke up to the most enchanting sight. A magnificent tree had grown where she had buried her mother's bones, and a beautiful swing hung from its branches. The swing seemed to call to Bawang Putih. As before, she felt her mother's comforting presence around her. When Bawang Putih began to sing her mother's song, the swing swayed back and forth, joining her in tune. As luck would have it, a handsome prince was hunting nearby and was enchanted by the sweet lullaby. Mesmerized, the prince watched Bawang Putih from afar. But before he could approach her... "Wait!" he called out. The prince gave chase, determined to find out who she was. The prince questioned Bawang Merah's mother. Who was the girl he had seen? Seeing the opportunity, She immediately said, "The girl you are looking for is my own beautiful and talented daughter, Bawang Merah." Although charmed by her beauty, the prince still requested that she sing for him once again on the golden swing. However, when Bawang Merah tried to sing the lullaby, the swing stood still. "What treachery is this?" the prince said angrily. "Tell me the truth!" Bawang Merah's mother begged for forgiveness and admitted that she had another daughter hidden in her house. Returning to the house, the prince called out for Bawang Putih. He gently convinced her to come with him back to the swing and sing for him. Overjoyed that he had finally found the girl who had captured his heart with her beautiful voice,